Okay, so we're doing polar graphs now. They are funky, weird looking. They are roses with petals. They are lemniscans. There are cardioids. And they're funky, weird looking because they're drawn in that polar coordinate. And they have all these instructions here for how to do it in degrees. But before we start, I want to show you how easy it is in radians. So everybody make sure your mode is radians. Mine's radians. Is your radian? Yeah? Okay, so quit out of mode. And then, oh, actually, I did that wrong. But go back to mode. So we did the whole, we got radians, but now we're going to go down here and do a polar graph. See the function right there? If you go all the way over, see with the polar right there, press enter. And see how it turns it, puts a black rectangle around it? That means it's selected. Now go in here and go second quit. And press Y equal. Look what it says. It says radius equals. Oh, snap. So we're going to clear this out.
Is it on radians, right?
It's on radians. I want to show you how easy this is when it's on radians. On radians. Now, does yours have, say first we're going to put in go into the, right here. See this right here? We're going to put in 2 cosine 2 theta. We're putting that in. So put in 2 cosine 2, and then the variable when we go to that is going to appear as theta when we go to radians. If you were in rectangular, that would be an x, but as soon as you go to radians, it puts in the theta. Isn't that cool? Everybody see that? Now notice, does yours have a little straight line in a circle like mine? It probably doesn't. Does it?
No.
No. So what you want to do to get that, you arrow back till the highlighter is highlighting that. See how it's highlighting it? You're going to press enter. And you get to pick a color and you get to pick a type of line. So if I didn't want this, okay, that's I want blue. I want blue. I want to, oh, I got to do this.
Oh yeah, well the new
See?
ones have like
Shh. So you're going to change it. Yours is going to be easier to change. To go till you get a line and a circle. Did everybody get a line and a circle? Yeah? Okay, push OK. And you're enter. All right. Huh? It's an X. Press the X button. See this X button right over here? See the variable button? It has X, T, theta, N. That depends on what mode you're in. If you're in rectangular mode, it's an X. If you're in polar mode, it gives you the theta because that's the appropriate variable. Got it? Now, everybody press graph now. Ooh, look. Do you see how it's tracing it out? Okay, do you see that it's funky weird? You know why? Because do you see how the X is stretched compared to the Y? Everybody please press zoom 5.
Where's that?
Zoom's at the top. Do you see how I made the tick marks the same size? That's what's called a rose. Then you haven't typed something incorrectly and you didn't follow directions. I don't know what to tell you. Bring it here. I can't diagnose it from here. Bring your calculator over here and I'll help you find it. But something's typed wrong. Okay, go play with it. Change this to 3. Change it to 3 theta. Y'all all go change things. Change it to 3 and see what it looks like.
Whoa.
Go play with it.
First, I'm gonna check
Oh,
mode.
it's stuck right
I'm
here.
gonna sign.
What are you doing?
You okay?
Let me just
Spider
You got it in degrees. You want radians or radians, right? Degrees is all that hot mess.
If you could start with
Oh, look, it's really tiny. You got something else. So let's go look here. You didn't finish. See the button? Press theta. Close it. Now it'll graph. Okay, so we're going to rake your head up. All right, so everybody got it. Did you see this one? Did y'all see how that worked?
Yeah, I put it in tangent.
How many times did it loop around?
The times you put in.
No.
The
No.
number of data?
No. Hang on. Just, okay, we're running out of